Visualizing complex information usually takes hours of tweaking boxes and arrows, draining your productivity before you even get a chance to start. Today, we're going to be diving into Vengage's AI Graphic Organizer, a powerful tool that turns your ideas into structured professional diagrams with a single prompt. Whether you're mapping out a workflow or brainstorming a strategy, this tool gives you the creative confidence to present ideas clearly without needing any design background. As I said, with a single prompt, you can use Vengage's graphic organizer to go from that single prompt to a professional graphic organizer in just minutes. What this does is eliminate the blank canvas phase. So you're sitting there, blank canvas, don't know what to do, no more. We are now in the free AI graphic organizer generator section here. We're going to hit generate with AI. We are logged into our account and we are going to go ahead and create something right now. What's really cool is you've got all of the good different little templates which you can use if you do actually fancy one right here. So what we're going to do is create something like this. Create a weekly food plan schedule for shopping list, foods, and then meals based off of those ingredients so we can plan more efficiently, financially, and practically. That's pretty good. I think that's an area where people struggle. They struggle to, if they are cooking from home, then it can be a bit of a struggle in terms of preparation, planning of the meals, budgeting, etc. So let's generate a diagram based on that and see what that gives us. So it's finding the template for us first, the template options. I believe it's going to bring us into the dashboard, which is cool. So as we can see, it's creating it right now in front of us in a mere matter of seconds. This is how effective Vengage's actual weekly organizer is. Let's have a look. I can see it already, week of October 2023. Of course, you can customize all of these things really easily. Say, for example, we want to change the date, for example, we can quite virtually just go in here and we can put the actual date. So say it's June, I think it's maybe June, I don't know, 12th or something like that. June 12th, and we are in 2026, just to give you the example of how easy that is, basically just to do that, bang. So we've changed it to the right date, change the days, columns, colors, everything here you can change. Say for example, we want to fill that color with this color, okay, we want to make it the same. Or say we want to, for example, go over here and fill the color a bit more. Look at that, we can go like 41%. As little as 41% on that particular item there, change all of this stuff, and let's have a look. So it's pretty much done, and you can give it the thumbs up, thumbs down, whether you like that or not. So it actually learned about what you want. So weekly meal and shopping budget planner. So it's virtually set up. So Monday, what we doing? Got the list here. Tuesday, what we doing? Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's all there. The thing about this easy customization is that even if you're an absolute beginner, you get an easy place to start and it's very easy to navigate. And if you're someone who's advanced, you get deep customization capabilities. It's super easy. You can chuck whatever you want in here. Say, for example, we just want to chuck in something to do with food. Okay, just to give it a bit more of a food vibe, because right now it's just weekly meal and shopping budget planner. But I know what some people can be like. We might want to put something like this shopping cart here with some various vegetables down the bottom, just to spruce it up. If this is something nice going on the fridge, you want to feel good. You want to feel good, have that vibe there. Say, for example, we want to take that tomato, for instance. We can spice it up a bit. Pop that in the top corner. There's lots of different things you can do here. You can go to the image section, say, for example, and add an image. So say it is a bit to do with the budget. So if we had another page there, example for the budget planner there, and we can just pop that right there. So these are just easy examples of what actually can be done here. Another really cool thing is the AI rewrite tool. So for example here, if we don't like the way that looks, we can go refine and we can say, for example, shorten, we can elaborate, more professional, or fix spelling and grammar. So maybe it's a bit long. Perhaps we can just shorten it. You can also ask it to make the changes, but we're going to keep it simple. We're going to show you how effective the AI is without even necessarily giving it a specific prompt. So as we can see, it's refining the phrase here, and we're going to basically shorten this and see what it comes out with. Bang, weekly meal planner, boom. That's probably all we need. Got it. I've shortened the title to weekly meal planner for you. how does it look? And you can say, all right, looks good, looks bad, whatever. Pretty happy with that. So we'll give it a good thumbs up. So it kind of learns about, again, like I said before, what your style is. Then when you're happy with it, it's always important to actually check the accessibility of it. So by doing that, we go up to press File down here, scroll to Accessibility, and just make sure that we are compliant before we move forward. We can check the accessibility here. Let's make your design accessible, okay? We can go ahead and check the design. And as we can see, it's cool because it actually detects 10 issues. So what are these? So for example, things like text size, links, tables, they all pass. But there are certain things that do actually need review. So for example, the alternative text here, we can go and click that. And what is it suggesting? Okay, missing alt text. We can say add alt text, for example. We can say generate something just to throw in there. A cartoon illustration shows an open peach colored wallet with a green bill peeking out. Boom. There we go. Bang. And we can save that. Okay. Alt text saved, and document has alternative text for images, for example. Right. That's just an example of what we can do there to make it good. So again, you know, it is just the color contrast that it doesn't actually like here. So for example, we can rescan your document after editing the colors. Let's go ahead and scan that. So as we can see here, based on the insufficient color contrast, we can take a bit more time just working on the contrast, because it seems to believe that a lot of people are probably not going to vibe too much with the contrast of this. But of course, if you're just doing this for your personal business, then it's okay if you're okay with it. But if you're doing it for like a website or marketing purposes, things like that, it's probably something that you do want to listen to the AI to on the accessibility and actually go ahead and make those changes. So for example here, we've got a simulator here. So check this out. Difficulty detecting greens, progenopia, all kinds of different things. Cataracts, okay? So different issues that people actually have. So for example, if we click cataracts, okay, that may actually be able to redesign it so that we can actually distinguish it easier if someone does have cataracts, if someone's got low vision, okay? As you can see, that is essentially how it may look for these people, which is pretty interesting, okay? So I love the fact that it actually has that feature. Super cool. Then of course, it's really simple. Once we're happy with it, we can essentially preview it. That's how it's going to look right here. You can go ahead and share it. You can open it in a new tab, and you can essentially download it, save it as a PDF, just like that. Super easy to do it. Download complete, just like that. We'll save that to the computer, and I'm going to stick that up on my fridge after I actually go ahead and print it. So when you go ahead and get signed up, guys, you're going to be able to unlock over 100 free AI design generators and receive instant design tips powered by AI, even when you register for a free account. And what's super cool is that unlike a lot of other AI tools, you can actually get full access with that free account as well. So go ahead today, give it a try. Transform your designs in minutes with Vengage's AI tools. Click the link in my description to get started today. And use code FUTUREAI50, that's all uppercase FUTUREAI50, to enjoy a whopping 50% off your annual plan. And this works for the business or the premium plan. Folks, if you did enjoy today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more of this AI-driven content. Make sure you do hit that notification bell, otherwise you're going to miss out on some more juicy AI informative videos, and we'll see you in the next video.